To most of us, it's a field with a rock sitting in a hole in the middle of it. To Don Stimson, well,
this is just a tremendously unique area in the whole world.
As curator of the Kansas Meteorite Museum, Stimson has no problem explaining why.
And we just have the best strewn field of this meteorite, this type of meteorite in the whole world.
Just east of Greensburg, he was ready to unearth his latest find, a rather odd-shaped piece Stimson believes is a major chunk of the Brenham meteorites. It took Stimson and some friends less than an hour.
Yeah, get your foot on there if you can. Let me get some more slack around that.
To harness it in, test the hold, and yes, hoist it out of the ground. It's estimated this meteorite has sat in the ground 20,000 years. This day is the result of about 2 weeks of digging and a couple months of waiting on good Kansas weather to lift it out.
You know, maybe not everybody's a rock hound, but certainly within that community, you can't help but be fascinated by coming out and picking up a piece of rock that came from space.
With the meteorite in place, the Stimsons make their way into town to see how much it weighs.
Looks like 1,220 pounds. That's another one of the main masses from this field. We found several of them now, so it's filling in the the science of how this thing came in and broke up there.
With the metal detector in hand, Stimson vows to continue scouring the fields in his area to help fill in the gaps.